Hello, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today for another Top Tip Tuesday. And I've got a really quick tip for you today, and it's just how to add a little bit of extra something to your die cuts, especially maybe your stylish shapes or your layering circles, those sorts of things. So let me flip the camera down and we'll take a look. So I've got set up my mini cut and emboss, which I love. Just saying, love it. So I've got one of the stylish shapes, and I'm just going to run that through. This is ordinary basic white cardstock. So I'm just going to run it through my cut and emboss and take it out, get rid of my lovely little baby, and take this. Get rid of my cutting plates, and I am going to grab my stamping pierce mat. You don't have to use this, but it just helps a little. Before you take your die cut out, take your ball point, which you can get with your Take Your Pick extension kit, and just run it around the inside of that circle. And you want to do that a few times. Try and keep the die as well pressed down as you can. It is going to want to spring up because basically by pressing down you are releasing the die and the card. But if we then take that up, yes, you can see. Can you see there's that lovely extra bit of embossing? And it just lifts your die cuts a little. So you can do that on any shape. You can do it on squares. You have to be a little careful in the corners, but it's possible. I would just go up and down each of the straight edges. But yeah, all just with an embossing tool. Now, if you've got the scoreboard, you've got one of these on that, but otherwise, if you look in the catalogue, you can get the die brush and the embossing tool as an extension to your Take Your Pick tool. I have to say I have two Take Your Pick tools so that I have both ready to go at any given moment. But that's just me. Hey, I get a discount, so anyone who's a demonstrator gets a discount, so I've just made the most of it. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me. Have a go at the extra embossing on your die cut shapes and let me know how you get on. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.